Bluey lifted a sparkling wand high fast, Bingo spun beside her laughing loud, and suddenly the sky cracked with thunder. Muffin shouted, "Wow, could Bluey be a real wizard?" Bandit grabbed Chilli's hand tight, Rusty pointed at a glowing spellbook ahead, Indy gasped, "It's floating with golden pages, could secret magic be waiting?" From the mist emerged a colossal shadow creature huge, its body twisted with dark smoke. Socks barked, nervously pacing. Bluey whispered, "This is dangerous, could her magic stop it?" The creature lunged forward, shaking the ground hard. Bingo clutched her balloon tight. Muffin hid behind Chilli, worried, could courage spark a spell? Bandit raised a sturdy shield ready, Rusty grabbed a glowing crystal for backup, Indy shouted, "Stay together, could teamwork protect them?" Bluey noticed glowing runes across the creature's chest bright. She shouted, "Strike the spell there now." Bingo hurled a sparkling star fast, could it weaken the beast? The monster roared, smoke and sparks flying everywhere. The castle trembled loud, Socks barked, dodging falling stones. Could they survive? Bluey leapt onto a floating rock, shouting, "Cast with me." Rusty swung the crystal, blocking dark blasts. The creature paused, confused. Could cleverness turn the fight? Suddenly the monster froze completely still, its eyes softened silver warm. Chilli whispered, "It's working." Muffin tossed another glowing spark. Could teamwork finish the magic? The runes pulsed brighter then faded. The monster bowed its head majestic. Shadows cleared, revealing a glowing wand inside. Bluey picked it up, careful, proud. Could it hold ultimate power? A hidden passage opened beneath the castle, glowing. Bandit whispered, "This adventure is only starting." Bluey's eyes shone courageous bright. Could the next spell be even wilder? The friends marched through together brave. The world twisted into a sparkling realm, magical. Bingo laughed amazed. Muffin twirled around happy. Could endless wizardry await? Above them, shooting stars circled wildly, sparks of magic scattered across the sky. Rusty shouted, "Keep casting." Socks barked, joining the fun. Could the magic guide them? Bluey raised the wand high, shining. The light spread across the land bright. Chilli smiled proud. Bandit hugged everyone close. Could this moment last forever? Suddenly, a portal opened, swirling massive, glittering enchanted worlds beckoned ahead. Bingo shouted, "Let's go." Muffin's eyes sparkled wide. Could this be the ultimate wizard quest? Bluey turned to her friends with fire in her eyes, brave. She shouted, "We can cast anything together." Everyone cheered, ready for the unknown. Could you step in with them? And if your heart raced like theirs, smash that like, tap subscribe, and join the next magical adventure with Bluey and friends.